Why hello there. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, I want to show you my dishwasher. This is the Miele G4228 SCU stainless steel dishwasher. Now let's take a good look at this dishwasher. Has 3 racks. This is where you put your detergent, and this is the rinse aid spot. This area, put your forks and knives and chopsticks and whatnot. Now for your smaller bowls and plates, you can raise this up and down. Now for the bottom rack. This is closed now to put bigger items. Now if you ever get big chunks stuck in here, you can open it and drain it out. This unit is very easy to use. I never rinse my dishes. I just put them in and it cleans them spotless. It's very clean. This unit is very efficient. This is made in Germany. Very high quality product. Now for a normal function, normal wash takes about 2.5 hours. You can shorten the time. There's different options. There's pots and pans, economy wash, sandy wash, rinse and hold. This rinse aid is just for if you don't have a water softener. This gets rid of the calcium on your glassware. Now the energy consumption of this unit is quite well for a dishwasher. Now when you install this, My technician recommends if you have a outlet on your island, it's best to have it installed on the back of the unit rather on the side. There's no room, he says. So that's where my outlet is. It's at the back. Apparently there's more room, so it'd be better if you have it installed on the back. Fairly nice unit. And this is the kind of wash tabs I use for my dishwasher. The Finish Quantum Power Balls. Very good. And Miele expects you to have a certified technician to install your system, or else it avoids your warranty. This setup's very easy to install yourself. It just needs a 3/4 inch outlet or drain outlet. Most other dishwasher uses 1/2 inch, but the Miele requires a bigger one, so it flows better, drains better. So if you don't have a technician to install this for you, it will void the warranty, remember. When comparing this to Bosch, it's a very similar product, very similar quality, but I chose Miele because I haven't heard anything bad about them. I hope you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Make a comment if you wish. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.